Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to drag a formula down in Excel. Let's get started. Here we have a mileage chart, where we keep track of our weekly mileage. We want to have a formula that will automatically add up the total of each week. We put in the formula needed to add up the first week's numbers. Instead of adding this formula to each cell manually, we are going to drag the formula down to add it to the rest of the cells. Click on the cell where you have your formula. Place your cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell, and you will see the cursor change to a plus sign. Left-click and hold the left mouse button. While holding down the left mouse button, drag the cell down to the bottom of the chart and release the mouse button. Excel has placed the formula in each of the cells in your column. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.